explore Faroese nature with the relaxing companionship of an Icelandic horse. Located in Tórshavn, Berg Hestar is the largest stable in the Faroe Islands, offering tours led by friendly and experienced guides, as well as a riding school, handicapped riding, and a bed and breakfast. Take a 2-hour riding tour along ancient paths, providing great views of Tórshavn and Nólsoy Fjord. For those with some riding experience, the 3-hour tour through the mountains surrounding the capital offers breathtaking views of expansive valleys and glistening fjords. Experienced riders can examine Faroese history at St. Magnus Cathedral, St. Olav Church, and the nearly 1,000-year-old King's Farm, as well as the captivating islands of Hestur, Koltur, and Sandoy on the day tour to Kirkjubø. Adventurous souls will love the weekend track, highlighted by amazing scenery, Skerlingur, and the beautiful streams and white sand beaches of Leina. Berg Hestar, your guide to Faroese nature.